Thus, utilitarianism shows that morality can be straightforward. In this case, alam mo kung anong dapat ng alternative, ano? Maliwanag yung dapat mong gawin. So it is straightforward and clear on what one ought to do under a circumstance and what should be the best option to undertake. Siyempre, nung una muna mag-iisip ka, pero ito yung mabilis na yung important documents, you have to bring it with you. Yung option mo, should you stay at home, na pataas yung tubig, or go to a higher place. Pero, yung decision namin, we have to go to a higher place, pero my God, sa labas, baha. Walang kukuha sa'yo, kasi binhanga ang mga sasakyan. No? Lahat sila, nailabas nga yung sasakyan, ang ibig sasakyan namin, hindi ko nailabas, guys. And that's, grabe, ang tagal ng gawaan ng mga kotse. Alright, anyway, with Jeremy Bentham as founder, had a theory that may sound logical and practical, but still, like all theories, there are several arguments or problems that may limit the utilitarian principle or may even be questioned. Jeremy Bentham developed the happiness calculus that in every action, the weight of pleasure or happiness should be subtracted to the amount of happiness. Consider the following dilemmas. Peter Singer endorses the view that a genuine concern for the pains of animals demands that we all become vegetarians. Pain and minimization of animal suffering is his goal. Do you agree with Singer? Another dilemma, how can we alleviate suffering in the world, such as malnutrition? Are there any consequences if one does not give to the least in the community, discuss and debate in class? So mga activities lang to, supposedly. And third, will you help strangers in need? Why or why not? James Mill, son of John Stuart Mill, will modify Bentham's calculus and will consider not just the quantity but the quality of pleasure. So sabi natin, the greatest good for the greatest number. But it's not just the quantity, but James Mill will add the quality of pleasure. For instance, the question would not just be the number of beneficiaries of Yolanda, but whether the option resulted into a greater satisfaction over other available choices. So, hindi lang yung number of beneficiaries who will benefit, but the greater satisfaction. Alright? So, marami kang alternatives, but what will be the greatest satisfaction over other available choices? In short, James Mill does not look in terms of the greatest number, but in the quality. This might be similar to Plato's view that quality is more important than quantity. For instance, in terms of education, it is not enough that one accumulates knowledge or good grades, but more importantly, how the learner is transformed or found meaning in one's education, right? So, what we're talking here is not just your grades. It's not just having good grades or accumulation of knowledge, but again, how this knowledge transformed you, all right? Or how you found meaning in your education, all right? So that is the quantity versus the quality,